So in Nigeria, they claim Afrobeat has gone worldwide. So I'm trying to see if really Afrobeat has gone worldwide. So I'm from Nigeria, Edo State, Benin, Simon. I forget my accent. I they try to see how far Afrobeat don't go, how far they know Davido, how far they know Whiskey, and how far they know Burna Boy down here. So stay tuned for this. Gee, we outside. Name?
Hi, my name is Marcus.
What about you?
My name is Olga.
Olga. Okay, where you from? Where you guys from?
I'm from here. And
Oh wow,
where you from?
I'm from Russia.
Russia. So you guys heard about Nigeria before?
Yeah.
How about you?
Yes.
Do you like Nigeria?
Of course, yes. We love it.
So what do you love most about Nigeria?
Well, the people itself and the development there. You guys are so nice. Yeah.
So do you like Nigerian music?
Of course, yeah.
So how many Nigerian musicians do you know?
Oh, well, actually, what I can say, Akon.
Are you playing?
Akon is not the Nigerian musician.
He's right from
We have Davido, we have Whiskey, we have Burna Boy. Who else?
Yeah, not so few. I can't even remember it.
You see,
All I know-
Nigerian artists, you guys need to do more because they still don't know you out here. So you got to do more. Don't relax. Don't think you're there. So you have to do more. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love to visit Russia sometime and I like it here. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.